Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to group rows and columns in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open our Google Sheet. So as you can see there's the data. So to group it into one section, all you have to do is select them. So for example, if you want to group it into group 1, we're going to select from 5 up to 9, then click on right click. Then we're going to go downwards and see view more row actions. Then as you can see there's the group rows 5 up to 9. So it's going to group them into one. So when you click on the minus button, it's going to group it into group 1. You can do the same for group 2. Select the data in group 2, which is from 11 up to 15. Then next, we're going to click on right click, view more raw options, then click on group rows 11 up to 15. Then again, we're going to click on the minus button. As you can see, we grouped it into group 2. Same for group 3. Select the numbers, drag it downwards, then click on right click. Then again, view more raw options. Then we're going to do the same. So when you click on the minus button, it's going to group it into group 3. So this is how we group them. But if you want to group this into a bigger subgroup, all you have to do is select from 4 up to 21, which selects the mini groups. Click on right click, view more raw actions. Then here, we're going to select group rows 4 up to 21. Then when you click on the minus button, it's going to group it to group A. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.